Hi friends, in today's video we will see that how to protect your car's wiper in summer. We can do simply like this when it's too hot, so your wiper's rubber blades will be protected. Another way is you can fold the paper like this and put it beneath the wiper, so the wiper will be protected from the direct sunlight. When the windshield gets hot, then the wiper gets damaged. This will definitely help from the sunlight. Another way is, which is not so pretty much useful, but you can do like this. You can start your wiper, you can put some cold water. So these are the ways. Thanks for watching the video.